Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to mask your Roblox character on Capcut. First, go to YouTube. Here, search for Roblox character dancing green screen. Here you'll find different videos of your Roblox character dancing on green screen. Tap to open the one you like and then tap on the share button. Tap on More. Then select the option of New Pipe app. New Pipe is a downloader which allows you to download YouTube videos. You can also use any other app if you want. Tap on Download. Wait for the video to be downloaded. After that, you need to open the Capcut app. Here, open a new project. Now select the chroma image from your device. Increase its time interval. Tap on that option of overlay from the bottom. Tap on Add Overlay. Then select the Roblox character video which you have just downloaded. Now adjust the video on picture. Now find the option of Blend and tap on it. Tap on the stick icon. Then select Chroma key. Select the color picker and adjust the circle on screen. After that, tap on Cutout. Tap on Chroma key. Go to Intensity. Increase the intensity and make it maximum. Tap on the stick icon. As you can see, the mask has been added to your Roblox character on Capcut. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.